Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off extensions on your Google Chrome. Now, in order to do this, you want to simply open up Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you want to go down to extensions. And here you want to click on manage extensions. Now, when I said turn on, I simply mean that you will be learning how to find extensions and install them. That's a way of turning on or adding. And if you have existing extensions on Google Chrome that is disabled, you can come here and follow these steps to find them and simply turn on or off. So all you have to do to turn on or off extensions is to simply toggle them on or off right here. So that's how you do it. Now it's off, now it's turned on, right? And if you want to remove it, you can simply remove extensions. Now, in order to add extensions, right, you can easily go ahead and look towards the left hand side and open up the Chrome Web Store here, and you can search for whatever extensions. On the left hand side, you also have categories as well, so you can find an extension and you can quickly add it as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use something as an example. Let's go to education section here, and let's say I want to install or add the Google Translator extension. I can click on that. And here you'll find the option to add to Chrome. I can simply add to Chrome right here, then click on add extension, and this is adding the extension. Once I add that extension, I can do a few things. I can simply go ahead and I can just view it. I can pin it. As you can see right here, it's showing on the top right. And if you want to pin it so it shows on your bar here on your Google Chrome, just simply click the extension icon, and here you'll find it. And you can just pin that extension right here. So you can pin it, and it's going to ensure that it always show up in Google Chrome. And you can always unpin it as well if you don't want to. Right now, once you do that, guys, you can go to extension. So you can click here. This is a shortcut to access extension. Then click on manage extension, or you can do the three dots and go down to extensions and just click manage extension, right? Really up to you. And this is how you'll find them. And so again, you can go ahead and turn on or off extensions from here. And that's it.